Welcome to this guide. In the next 2 minutes, I'll show you exactly where to find the service list by Digital Hearing Aids, a trusted resource built to connect people with reliable hearing solutions and professional care. The service list was designed to save you time and effort. Instead of browsing through endless websites or calling different clinics, you get a clear and organized overview of services related to digital hearing aids in one convenient place. Here's how you can find it. Start by visiting the Digital Hearing Aids website. Once on the homepage, look for the menu or navigation bar. There you'll see a section labelled Service List. Click on it and you'll be directed to a complete breakdown of available services. Inside the service list, you'll find everything you need: hearing assessments, device fittings, maintenance, repairs, upgrades, and even guidance on choosing the right model for your specific hearing needs. Each service includes descriptions to help you understand what's offered and how it can benefit you. One of the great advantages of this resource is its clarity. The services are arranged in an easy-to-follow format, so you don't have to waste time figuring out where to begin. Whether you're new to hearing aids or already using one, the service list gives you practical support. Another benefit is reliability. The service list is updated regularly to ensure the information stays accurate, meaning you'll always see current offerings and available support. To recap, just go to the Digital Hearing Aids website, click on Service List and start exploring. From hearing tests to device care and upgrades, it's all there in one place. That's where to find the service list by Digital Hearing Aids.